Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to master Instagram hidden filters. So for this, the first step is to open the Instagram app on this Android device. So as well it will be loading. So after completely it will be load. So you will just go in the top left corner, or you will just go in the reel section. So from here you will just click to camera roll and you will see the white button in the center. You will just slide the right, and this is the effects. So if you want a more effects, so you will just go in the last right. So you will see the search icon. So from here you will just find the hidden features. This is the hidden filters of Instagram story reels. So from here you will just choose it, the hidden and extra filters. So it will be enhance your story to record. So this is how to find the hidden filters on Instagram stories. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.